If you're 16, 25, watch this once. The next 10 years of your life will either make you or quietly break you. Most people your age are trading their most valuable years for comfort, sleeping in, scrolling for hours, waiting for life to get serious later. But here's what nobody tells you. Later is built right now. The people who win in their 30s, they spend their 20 years building one skill the market pays for. They build discipline when no one was watching. And they learn that money is a tool, not something you spend to feel good today. Learn one skill the internet pays for: video editing, AI tools, coding, or marketing. You don't need to be perfect. You need to start 1 hour a day on a skill, one book a month, track your spending, that's it. That's the edge 99% of people your age won't take. You have time. Why most young people waste their 20? Let me paint you a picture. Two people grow up in the same city. At 16, they both have the same starting point. By 25, one of them has a skill set that earns him money online, a body he's proud of, savings in his account, and a vision for his future. The other one? He's still scrolling. Same age. Completely different lives. What happened? The trap of social media. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Social media is designed to steal your life. Every notification, every reel, every short video, it's engineered by billion-dollar companies using the most advanced psychology in the world to keep your eyes locked to a screen. And it works. Studies show that the average young person spends 6 to 7 hours a day on their phone. Think about that. That's 42 hours a week. That's a full-time job. Except instead of building something, you're consuming someone else's highlight reel. While you watch someone else live their dream, you're burning the hours you need to build yours. The comfort trap. The second reason most young people waste this time is comfort. Your brain is wired to avoid discomfort. When you sit down to learn something hard, coding, writing, a new language, your brain sends a signal: this is painful, stop. And what do most people do? They stop. They pick up their phone. They watch one more video. They say, I'll start tomorrow. But here's what nobody tells you. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Every time you choose comfort over discipline, you're not just losing 1 hour. You're training your brain to quit every time things get hard. And that habit, the habit of quitting, will follow you for the rest of your life if you let it. Following the crowd. The third trap is the most dangerous one. Doing what everyone else is doing. When everyone around you is partying on weekends, binge watching shows, and spending money on things they don't need, it feels normal to do the same. And that's exactly the problem. Normal right now means struggling at 30. The people who change their lives are the ones willing to look a little weird for a few years. To say no when everyone else says yes. To study when everyone else is asleep. The world rewards people who think differently. But first, you have to be brave enough to act differently. The hidden advantage of starting early. Now here's the good news, and it's reality. You have something that no amount of money can buy later in life. You have time. And when you combine time with consistent effort, something almost magical happens. It's called compounding. You've probably heard of compound interest in money, where a small amount of money invested early grows into something enormous over decades. The same principle applies to skills and habits. If you spend just 1 hour a day learning a valuable skill, let's say video editing, or coding, or digital marketing, in 1 year, you've put in 365 hours. In 3 years, over 1,000 hours. At that point, you're not a beginner anymore. You're someone companies and clients will pay serious money to hire. James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, talks about the idea of getting just 1% better every day. It sounds tiny. But 1% better every day means you're 37 times better by the end of the year. 37 times. That's the power of starting early and staying consistent. Elon Musk taught himself programming at 12 years old. Warren Buffett made his first investment at 11 and later said his biggest regret was not starting even earlier. Bill Gates coded for 10,000 hours before he ever started Microsoft. They didn't become legends because they were geniuses. They became legends because they started early and never stopped. Time rewards the people who start early and stay consistent. And the next question is, what skills should you start learning today? High-value skills that pay online. Let's get practical. What should you actually spend your time learning? Here's the truth about the world you're growing up in. The internet has made it possible for anyone, anywhere, to earn a serious income without a degree, without connections, without money to start. But only if you have a skill people will pay for. Let me give you the most valuable skills you can learn right now from your anywhere for free: video editing. Every brand, creator, and business in the world needs video content. Learning to edit on software like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, which you can learn for free on YouTube, can earn you $500 to $5,000 a month as a freelancer within a year. AI tools. Artificial intelligence is the biggest shift in the job market since the internet. Learning tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or automation platforms doesn't just make you more productive, it makes you irreplaceable. The people who understand AI will run the companies that use it. Coding and web development. Platforms like Free Code Camp and the Odin Project will teach you to build websites and apps for completely free. Even basic web development skills can land you remote jobs paying $30 to $50 an hour. Digital marketing. Every single business on world needs customers. If you can learn SEO, social media strategy, email marketing, or paid ads, you become the person who brings them those customers. And businesses will pay a lot for that. Copywriting. The ability to write words that sell is one of the highest paid skills in the world. It requires no tools, no equipment, and no degree. Just practice and the willingness to study what works. Pick one. Focus on it for 6 months. Don't try everything. The internet rewards people who master one thing. 1 year from today, you could still be wasting your time, or you could have a valuable skill that earns you money. The choice is yours, and you're making that choice today. Discipline and focus. Most people don't know this, but successful people do. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. And that difference, it changes everything. Some mornings you wake up and you're ready. You feel unstoppable, like nothing can touch you. But most mornings, you're tired. You hit snooze 3 times. You stare at the ceiling thinking, what's the point? I've been there. You've been there. We've all been there. And here's the thing nobody talks about. Successful people feel that too. They don't wake up every morning pumped and excited. They just show up anyway. Not because they feel like it, but because they decided to. Think about it like this. Imagine you're training for something important. Day 1, you're fired up. Music's loud, energy's high. Day 14, it's raining, you're sore. Your bed feels like a cloud. That's the real test. Not day 1. Day 14. Motivation got you started. But discipline is what keeps you going when motivation ghosts you. So next time you don't feel like it, good. That's the moment. That's where the work actually happens. Feel it. Acknowledge it. Love's eye. Then do it anyway. Because the people who make it, they're not superhuman. They just stopped waiting to feel ready and started deciding to be ready. Kobe Bryant was famous for waking up at 4 a.m. to train every single day. Not because he felt like it, because he made a decision. David Goggins, one of the most mentally tough humans alive, says discipline is about doing what you told yourself you would do, long after the feeling that made you say it has gone away. So how do you build discipline? Because it doesn't come naturally to most people, and that's okay. Start with a non-negotiable daily habit. Something small, something you will do no matter what. Maybe it's 30 minutes of learning. Maybe it's a 20-minute workout. Maybe it's reading 10 pages before bed. The goal is not the habit itself. The goal is to prove to yourself that you keep promises. Because the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. When you wake up and do the hard thing first, before your phone, before social media, before entertainment, you send a signal to your own brain, I am in control, not my impulses, me. Do that for 30 days and watch how the person looking back at you in the mirror starts to change. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is the highest form of self-respect. Understanding money early. Schools will teach you algebra. They will teach you the history of ancient civilizations. But even in the 21st century, they still follow outdated syllabuses from the 17th and 18th centuries. But almost no school in the world will teach you this, how money actually works. And that gap in education costs most people tens, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars over their lifetime. Here is the most important money principle you need to understand right now. You don't get rich by earning more. You get rich by keeping and growing what you earn. Most young people, the moment they earn money, spend it. New shoes, new clothes, going out every weekend, a lifestyle that looks successful but builds nothing. Meanwhile, the person who takes even $50 a month at age 18 and invests it into an index fund, the kind that tracks the whole stock market, will have more money at 40 than the person who spent everything and started investing at 30 because of compound interest. The same principle we talked about earlier apply to money. Start small. Start now. Be consistent. A few rules to live by. Rule 1. Spend less than you earn. Always. This sounds obvious. Almost nobody actually does it. Rule 2. Build an emergency fund first. 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses saved in a bank account. This is your safety net. Without it, every unexpected expense is a crisis. Rule 3. Invest early, even tiny amounts. Apps like index funds and micro investing platforms make this possible for anyone. The habit of investing is more important than the amount. Rule 4. Avoid debt on things that lose value. A designer outfit, a brand new car you can't afford, a vacation on a credit card. These steal your future self's money to pay for today's impulse. Be patient. Be strategic. Money is not the goal. Freedom is the goal. And money, managed well, is the tool that buys you freedom. The freedom to work on what you love, to say no to things that don't serve you, to build a life on your terms. The power of daily habits. We've talked about skills, we've talked about discipline and money. Now let's talk about the foundation underneath all of it, your daily habits. What you do every single day, not sometimes, not when you feel motivated, but every day is what builds the life you're going to live. Read every day, even just 10 pages. Warren Buffett reads for 5 hours a day. Elon Musk reportedly read 2 books per day as a teenager. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. These are not coincidences. Books are the compressed wisdom of people who spent decades figuring things out, and they're giving it to you for the price of a coffee. Every book you finish puts a new perspective in your mind, new vocabulary, new frameworks, new ideas that the person who doesn't read simply doesn't have access to. Learn something new every single day. A concept, a word, a tool, a strategy. Dedicate 30 to 60 minutes a day to deliberate learning that moves you toward your goal. Podcast in your headphones while you walk, YouTube tutorial while you eat, an online course on your lunch break. The world is the most abundant library that has ever existed, and it's available for free in your pocket. Take action consistently. Ideas without action are just dreams. Most people are waiting for the perfect moment, the right time, the right conditions, the right mood. That moment is never coming. Start messy. Start imperfect. Start today. Because taking imperfect act. The reality of time, I want you to imagine something. You are 45 years old. You're sitting in a quiet room, thinking about your life. And you realize that the years between 16 and 25 are the years that shaped everything that followed. The relationships you built, the skills you learned, the discipline you trained, the habits you formed. What will you feel if you spent those years on autopilot? Scrolling, drifting, following the crowd? A Harvard study on aging and happiness asked thousands of people at the end of their lives what they regretted most. The number one answer was not the things they did. It was the things they didn't do. The risks they didn't take. The dreams they didn't chase. The effort they chose not to give. Regret is a heavy thing to carry. And the cruelest part of it is that you can't buy back time. Not with money. Not with success. Not with anything. But here's the flip side, and this is why I'm telling you all of this. You are not 45 yet. You're reading this now, which means the story isn't written. The chapter you're in right now is the most important one, and you're holding the pen. The question is, what are you going to write? A simple 5-step plan for people aged 16 to 25. Let me give you a clear, simple roadmap. Step 1. Learn one high-value skill. Choose one: video editing, coding, copywriting, marketing, AI tools. Commit to learning it for 6 months, 1 hour a day minimum. Use free resources, YouTube, free code camp, Coursera. Build a small portfolio. Start getting paid. Then scale. Step 2. Improve your health. Your body is your primary tool. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Move your body every day. Even a 30-minute walk counts. Eat real food most of the time. A healthy body creates a sharp, focused mind. You cannot perform at your best when you feel like garbage. Step 3. Build discipline. Pick one non-negotiable habit and protect it like your life depends on it. Morning pages, a workout, 30 minutes of learning, whatever it is. Do it every day without exception for 90 days. Watch how that one habit rewires your entire relationship with consistency. Step 4. Control your money. Track what you spend. Cut what you don't need. Stack what you don't need. Save a little every month. Then invest a little every month. It doesn't matter if it's $20 or $200, the habit matters more than the amount right now. Start building your financial intelligence today. Step 5. Build a network intentionally. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Evaluate who those people are. Seek out people who are building something, learning something, growing. Go to events. Comment on the work of people you admire. Send that email. Introduce yourself. Your network will become one of the most powerful assets in your life, but only if you build it on purpose. 5 steps. That's it. No shortcuts, no secrets. Just deliberate effort, applied consistently. Let me leave you with this. The person you will be at 30, at 40, at 50 is being built right now. In the decisions you make today. In the hour you choose to spend learning instead of scrolling. In the morning you choose to get up instead of hitting snooze. In the moment you choose discomfort over comfort. Nobody is coming to save you. No teacher, no parent, no lucky break. You are the only person who can decide what your life becomes. And that is not a burden. That is the greatest gift you will ever receive. Because it means your future is not determined by where you came from, what family you were born into, or what cards you were dealt. It is determined by what you choose to do starting today. You are 16 or 24. You are standing at the beginning of something extraordinary, of ease, and don't waste it. Go build the version of yourself that you will be proud of. One day, one habit, 1 hour at a time. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Now go. You've already taken the first step by watching this. If this video helped you think differently about your life, subscribe.